Welcome to the English based grammar classes. In these classes, I am just going to teach the simple way to learn how the basics are learned in and used in the sentences. Most of the children are learning in CBSE schools and English medium schools, but mostly after 100%, 70% students are those who are learning in language medium schools. So it is too difficult for them to understand what the articles are, what the determinants are, what the basics of the fundamental of the basics of the English grammar. So to teach them, I am just going to use the simple method to how to learn it and how to know how to use the word in each and every sentence. So my way is the simplest way, I think so, and most of you will be understand in a simple way. So today, starting with the basics, the first thing comes is articles, and the article is a one word, but the meaning of this article word is, there are two meanings. One is, if we take in grammar portion, it is a, and the other meaning is, article means writing a paragraph or passage on each and every article. So in grammar, we are going to start the basics article, and the first word is, what is the meaning of article? Article means a and the. These three words are known as articles, but today I am just going to take the first word a, where to use it and how to use it and what are the uses of article. First one is a. Everyone knows that a is used when the thing is only in a single way. Only for single thing we use a. Just as for example, pen, pencil, boy, girl, whatever it may be, we use a. It is not only that a is used over here. There are so many vowels in between. The vowels came and we use a in front of them. Why we use a according to the vowels? So I am going to tell you where to use it. I am not going to tell you what are the phonic sounds and what the sounds mean. Only the simple way to understand is just like this. If I write one-eyed man, one-legged beggar, 1 rupee coin. Mostly these sentences are come in the competitive exams or wherever the exams you are going to give. They will give you the way and they will give you the choice to write a or n. Everyone knows that the vowels is, this word is in vowel. So if in front of vowel we use n, but if we use n, the sentence will be wrong. So how can we say that we will write a in front of it? Because when there is a word with hyphen in between them, just close our eyes and put a in front of it. Because we are talking of one-eyed man, we are talking about the man. One-legged beggar, we are talking about the beggar. 1 rupee coin, we are talking about the coin. So according to this, we have put a. The second word is, it is also a vowel, just as uniform. University, unique. These are the words starting with U. I am not going to say that what it sounded. Mainly N is used more. There are very few words in which the words start with U and we put a, N. But in here we are talking just as a clean uniform. It is a uniform, but if it is a clean, so we put a. So university. Just, he is a university professor. Second, it is a unique. Unique means it is starting with U, but we will put a. It is a unique idol. It is a unique thing. So according to me, these are the words where we use a. Simple as I can tell you. So if we have the single thing, we will put a, but where there are hyphen in between the three words and the starting word is o, we will simply put a. Extra that, uniform, university, unique, unicorn, whatever it may be. we put A in front of all, because this is the simple way. I think so. And what I am teaching, I think I have said many of you can understand it, and you will understand it so nicely. So just have a look at my lecture. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you.